So, next is life protection. Ito yung protect family while building wealth. Pakitype nga po B kung kayo ay breadwinner. Ayan. So, pag may breadwinner, may bread eater daw. Ayan. So, may mga pinapakain tayo, no? May mga umaasa. Ayan, daming B, di ba? So, napaka-importante ng role natin sa family. And, of course, kailangan talaga may protection, no? Sila. So, understanding life insurance, just think about this. You work hard because you love your family and you have big dreams for them. Tama ba? So, ako, ang dami ko din pangarap talaga. What will happen to your dreams for them if something happens to you? No? Yung anak ko, gusto pa nga pumunta na Amerika eh, di ba? So, talagang sabi ko, pamasahe pa lang, mahal na yun. Pero sige anak, susuportahan kita, no? So, life insurance in case you can't be there to catch them. You are sure you have a safety net. Diba? So, again, if you love your family, dapat daw i-put natin in writing. So, eto yun, no? Yung life insurance. So, eto yung sad case, no? Most people have adequate protection on their cars, but few have enough for their loved ones. So, imagine niyo no, pag may 1 million ka na sasakyan, brand new yan, hindi ka pumapayag na hindi rin 1 million ang insurance niyan. 'Di ba? Kaya nga po maraming kumukuha yan, required yan. Meron ding insurance na usually ang cost niyan 20,000 per year to have 1 million coverage for your car. Pero ang sad case po dito, yung insured yung kotse lang, no? Yung driver, yung breadwinner, walang insurance, no? Which is, kung titignan natin, ang mura lang pala ng insurance, no? Kung tamang insurance po makukuha natin. Yun po yung tinuturo dito sa IMG na sa workshop 2, may mura palang insurance, yung term insurance, na magkakaroon ka ng 1 million coverage sa halagang 7,400 lang, no? In 1 year. And kung age 35 ka. So, mas mura pa yan kung 20 plus ka, di ba? So, ginawang affordable pero mataas yung coverage, no? So, understand first before buying life insurance. Kasi ako po, no, mahal yung insurance na nakuha ko noong 2011. Hindi pa ako na-educate ng IMG. So, dito ko lang nalaman sa workshop 2 na may mura palang insurance, no? So, how it works and price, we have to understand that kasi because the cost of insurance is charged to you.